What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Simplifying advanced market structure. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also post weekly crypto analysis and plays, as well as weekly stock analysis and plays, as well as most importantly, we live stream a live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So we teach you how to not only make money on the front end, but as well as on the back end when it comes to investing and on these charts. Now, you already know, first things first, I got to give a special shout out to the members and students. We went absolutely crazy today with GBP USD. All TPs got hit and surpassed. Caught this beautiful 1-to-3 risk short ratio setup. We entered this during London session, at the beginning of London session, rode this all the way through the news, all the way into New York session, going into Tokyo session. Beautiful 1-to-3 risk short ratio setup, meaning whatever we risk, we made 3 times that amount. So I was to risk $100, I made $300. If I was to risk $1,000, I made $3,000 off this one trade alone. But yeah, if you're interested in advanced weight room, make sure to hit that link in the description because we've been going absolutely crazy. It's called the playbook for a reason. Now, this video, like I said, we're about to, you make sure to go ahead and like this video. Make sure to save this. Make sure to have your notebooks out because you're not about to see the charts the same after this. I'm going to tell you that. So I was just talking about this during the live stream earlier today, and I talked about this with the members and students behind the scenes as well. So a lot of things you see online, like these patterns, these strategies or these candlesticks that people identify, those are just one piece to the puzzle. Now let me explain. Imagine trading and reading the charts was a 1,000-piece puzzle, and all these patterns and these things you see online are just 1 or 2 pieces to the puzzle. But that 2 pieces still does not explain what the entire picture is, or where those 2 pieces go, or what the other pieces next to those 2 pieces are supposed to be, right? That's why there's always still this confusion of why these things don't always make sense or match or go 100% accurate. But what I'm about to show you is what you see all the time and how the charts actually move and work, because as we all know, there is manipulation in the markets and there's rules and scripts the markets follow every single day. And it's our job as traders and investors to figure out and understand what those rules and what that script is. So these are the only 3 structures and cycles price is ever going to be in. The first one we all know and love, which is the uptrend, right? That's the first cycle. The second cycle we know and love as well, which is the downtrend. Right? Which is the downtrend. Now, there's one more cycle that nobody talks about that we're going to talk about. Now, this has different names sometimes, but it's all the same thing. People call it liquidity, sideways market, consolidation, levels of traffic, rangy, choppiness. So these are the 3 cycles prices ever in. So make sure to get your screenshot, save this, make this your screensaver, whatever the case may be. But you know where you heard it from first. What do I mean? These are the only 3 cycles prices ever in. We all know about the uptrend and downtrend. But what y'all don't understand about this liquidity is y'all be using and treating it wrong. So when you are going on the charts to trade, you need to figure out which one of these 3 cycles we are in. But all these 3 cycles connect, right? It's all about the flow of price, market, flow, market, structure. It's all in the words. You get what I'm saying? So you ideally want to look for setups when we're in an uptrend or downtrend. But when price is consolidating or in liquidity or sideways market, right? That is simply price struggling and waiting for volume to pick up to either break and continue the trend it's currently in, or reject and start a new trend, right? So let's say this is the resistance level right here. Price is either going to break through that resistance level, right, and treat it as support and take off, or it's going to reject that resistance level, treat as resistance, and go back to the downside. So now I'm about to show you some examples. So we're looking at NAS 100 right here. right? We can clearly see this is an uptrend. And then what do we see here? That consolidation. And what did we just say? When price consolidates, we're going to see either break out or keep pushing up. What do we see here? Price breakout, right? Same thing here. We had a downtrend, reversal, rejection, price came back up, consolidation, failed to break this resistance level, pushed back down, consolidation, failed to break this resistance level, pushed back down. Y'all see what I'm saying? This is why I teach the members of students behind the scenes. I go over this and much more in detail in the course as well as the one-on-one sessions. Make sure to hit those links in the description. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description of the free student free Telegram, y'all. Again, y'all saw how we did last week. If you go on there, you're going to see how we did last month, last quarter, all that good stuff, man. We've been going absolutely crazy. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signature service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.